How to automatically save screenshots on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. As you know that there are many ways by which you can take screenshot on your Windows. The first one is using a snipping tool. So if you want to automatically save the snipping tool screenshots on your Windows, you just have to open it and then tap on the three dots on its corner. After that, go to the settings. Scroll down a bit and make sure to toggle on automatically save screenshot. Additionally, you can even toggle on ask to save edited screenshots and such other options as per your wish. This way, the screenshots will be automatically saved. Similarly, you can just press Windows plus PRTSC, which will take a screenshot of your Windows and save it as well. So these are the two ways by which you can automatically save any screenshots on your Windows. Similarly, you can also use some of the screenshot software such as Screen Record or Screen Capture, which will help you to save the screenshot automatically. And that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.